DoorDash is expanding beyond food delivery with a new app called Tasks, and it offers a glimpse into how the AI economy is increasingly being built. The app pays couriers, known as dashers, to complete short assignments like filming everyday activities, taking photos, or recording themselves speaking in different languages. The goal is to generate real world data that can be used to train AI and robotic systems. DoorDash says workers have already completed more than 2 million of these tasks since 2024, and the new app formalizes that effort, turning what might seem like simple gig work into something much more structured. Because this isn't just about side income, it's about collecting the kind of real world information AI systems still struggle to understand. Johannes, what stands out to you?
Well, what's interesting is that DoorDash is essentially turning its Dasher network into a distributed data layer for the physical world. So these tasks like photographing a dish, capturing a storefront, or mapping an entrance aren't random tasks. They are structured observations that update real world conditions. That could mean improving navigation to a front door, verifying what's actually on a shelf, or helping an autonomous system handle edge cases it can solve on its own. And because DoorDash already operates at a national scale, this becomes something more than just crowdsourcing. It's a live, constantly updating stream of localized, real-world data tied to actual routes and environments.
And that shifts how we think about this kind of work.
Exactly. On the surface, it's flexible gig work, but underneath, it's part of a much larger data pipeline. What DoorDash is doing with tasks is filling in those gaps. It's creating training data, validation data, and feedback loops, all from real world human activity.
Which brings us back to the bigger question, what role these workers are really playing.
And that's the right question to ask because this isn't just labor. This is one of the most valuable inputs into AI. High quality, real world data, and ultimately, DoorDash is building a human powered data network. These workers are capturing real world information that AI systems can't easily simulate, things like locations, layout, and edge cases. So the question isn't whether workers should be paid, they absolutely should be. The deeper question is whether the compensation reflects the value of what they're actually contributing. That data is incredibly valuable. So, Tiffany, the big question, are these robots helping workers or are they slowly replacing them?
Well, slowly replacing them, if you ask me, but that's just my personal opinion.